What's going on today? I just made a video re-updating the fleet. I also showed these two I'm going to show you. So I decided to make an extra video on my recently purchase of my 81 440 SRX. So the reason I really kind of got it because I love this sticker. Get on, sit down, shut up, and hang on. Absolutely love that quote. Exactly what you should do, but always be safe. But I would like to show you guys it. I'm not a Yamaha guy. I've just recently sold my SX Exciter, so I have a seat. I will show that in the video. So, but it's pretty cool. I mean, it needs a lot of work, but after all the old Yamaha groups I've joined, this is a incredible score. I know I don't have a motor, but I do have the twin pipes. Sits right at 3,500 miles. SRX 440 Yamaha. Looks like the temp. Who knows what that is? Starter. Oh, my hood. Anyway, get that. Get that. Okay, that's stuck up. No biggie. Again, so my plan with these sleds are to restore them, obviously, but it won't be anytime soon. So here's the twin pipes. I mean, this whole sled needs I absolutely restored and a half. Got coolant. I mean, I really don't. I got a fuel pump. There's not. I really don't know what I'm looking at. Airbox. CDI. Looks like something over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. SX440. So, but it's pretty cool. I thought I would show you this one. But my plans are to completely redo this sled. Obviously, it's gonna take a while. These parts are extremely expensive. I mean, it's an extremely expensive sled. I had no idea this part was this expensive. I bought it mainly just for the twin pipes. I paid 130 bucks for this with the extra seat. It was 100 bucks just the chassis and twin pipes, and 30 bucks for an extra seat. But you can't find those seats anywhere unless you pay big money, which I'd say for 30 bucks, good score. But the hood's not that bad except for that crack and everything. But I mean, it's just so cool to have an old 81 sled. I mean, this sled is 22 years older than me. If I did my math right. Yeah, I think I did my math right. It's 22 years older. It's got the upgraded arms. I think these are for stability. Now, again, don't quote me on everything. Yamaha pop-up headlight, big old radiator that goes into here. That's so cool. I mean, it's a very cool sled. I believe these were called the Black Bullet or something like that. Super fast for an 81. Just bad motors. Again, restore it. So I'm going to put that motor back in it. But it'll be rebuilt. Trying to make it nicer. Figure out what the kinks were and go from there. Try to make the motor best as I can, but keep the original 440 Yamaha motor in it. But I thought I would update you guys on it. I mean, it's just cool. It owns, these two sleds both own their own video themselves. It's just, especially the story behind these sleds. It came from an old drag racing family. When I show you that one, you'll get more of an idea. It came from an old drag racing family. He unfortunately passed away, so his family kind of shipped these off. I bought them from my parts guy that was sitting in a scrap pile. You can't let these sit. I mean, they're expensive sleds. I mean, especially that name right there tells you what it is. But it's cool. I do plan to restore it. It will be a long restoration. I don't have the funds, as I said last video. All these sleds, I just do in my free time. I have 2 days off. I maybe get like 4 hours a day on them. I try to do as much as I can, but with a low income, there's only so much you can do. But enough with this sled. I know this sled's probably gonna be the most popular one out of the two. Let's go show you this one. This one means more special to me just because of the Solem Racing, the 006. Absolutely love this sled. I already messaged Wall Brothers to see if this sled was sponsored. He just loved putting the stickers on, but I haven't talked to the other sponsors on this sled to see if they actually know. Again, this is a 83 Vmax 540. It's pretty cool. It has a radiator. Now these are A&N Performance, so that's cool. But all these sponsors I have never completely messaged out. Again, has these, which I don't know if that's for stability or what. These new skis. That skis over there is pretty bad. Probably reduce shocks. But this was an actual drag racing sled. I'm not too sure about the 440, just because of this. I got exhaust temp for both sides. Now I have the other panel in there for Solem Racing, and then I got his big old carburetors in there. I would show the under in here. I'm trying to give you guys a sneak peek, and these are a lot of work. A lot of work, but still super cool. I mean, those carburetors themselves can be expensive, but it's pretty cool. I absolutely love this sled. I picked this one up first before that 440, just because of the history. This one was actually drag race. Actually, nobody who has a different sled from the same group that used to drag race this sled. He has a sled that raced this sled. So he said one day, someday, we both get him running. We'll have to take him for another rip. And I said, oh heck yeah, we are. Got 5,000, I'm guessing pretty hard miles. So, is what it is. Underneath is pretty good. It needs to get everything redone, but it's just cool. Just to see that Solem Racing, that just makes it so much worth it. It just, you can't beat that. Finding an old drag sled, you can't beat that. So, but this Yamaha and that Yamaha, I do have one more coming from the same group that I'm possibly gonna buy. If it has graphics, it's a yes. If it's a 440, then that's a yes. I'm not too interested in another Vmax. It's just, I only bought that one specifically because of the racing. This one, I bought it because of the twin pipes, but hearing the value of them, I would like to own another one. So, I thought I would give you guys a dedicated video for these two, since these two are pretty special. Let me know what you guys like to see. I said, I don't know how much I can do with these two sleds. I don't have that much space in the garage. So, but hopefully you guys all enjoyed. If you want further pictures for that, my Facebook's the same name as my YouTube channel. So you can search me up. You'll see some snowmobile posts I had. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and just do what you guys usually do. But it's just, I had to show it. I had to show them. So hope you guys have an amazing day, and see you next time.